Live play, bonus or bankrupt. On Cats, 2,500 max prize, 240 max bet, 30 lines, 60 bucks in. Two 30 lines times 8, 240. Here we go. Bigger bet equals bigger wins, so I thought I'd try this. Obviously it's working. So we'll do a double or nothing also. Just throw that in there because so far we're on a good start. Tiger. Scatter. Oh, looks can be deceiving. Oh, and that is a double, people. That is a successful double. Look at that. 73.60. Awesome. All right. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe for more. And I will try my best to give you some good luck wins. All right. Peace.